everyone. In this class, we are going to study the formulas of exterior angle of any polygons. In this exercise, here we have three formulas. So the first formula is the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Already we discussed this concept in the previous video. So here you may use the any polygon. It may be a triangle, it may be a rectangle or pentagon, hexagon, octagon. It may be any polygon. Its sum of the exterior angle is always be a 360 degree. For an example, the sum of the exterior angle of triangle. Here in this triangle we have a three exterior angles. Those are x, y, z. Its sums is always be a 360 degree. So second example, it is a quadrilateral. The sum of the exterior angle of quadrilateral whose sum is always be a 360 degree. Here we have a four exterior angles. Those are P, Q, angle R and angle S. Angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. The sum of these four angles be a 360 degree. Or you may select the pentagon, hexagon. Its sums is always, the exterior angles of its sums is always 360 degree. This is the first formula. Second formula is to find one exterior angle of a polygon of n side. It may be any polygon, we can easily find the exterior angle. The formula is, here one exterior angle means each exterior angle, which is equal to sum of all exterior angles divided by n sides. Here the number of n sides means the number of sides. It may be a 9 sides, it may be a 10 sides, it may be a 7 sides. So it is said to be a n sides. Here for solving a individual angles, for solving a each angles, here we have a formula. A sum of all exterior angles divided by n sides. Here we know that the sum of the all exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Or you may select the formula, or you can write the formula as 360 degree divided by n sides. So the each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n sides. This is the formula for second one, to find one exterior angle of any polygon of n sides. So third formula is determine number of sides from angles. Here the formula is, here we know that this formula one exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by m. This is the formula of second one. So here we have to find the n. In this condition, here we have to find the, in this condition we have to find the n. Using which condition? They given in the question, what they given here? Each angle's value. Each exterior angle value. Here in this question, in this type of question condition, they given a each exterior angle value and we have to find the n sides. So the formula is, so take here the here the previous formula is one exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by n. Here we have to find the n sides. So take this to the numerator of the left hand side. So it become a each exterior angle into n sides is equal to 360 degree. Yes, it is the form one exterior angle into n sides is equal to 360 degree. So we have to find the n value. So keep here as it is, the one exterior angle take to the denominator. So the final formula is, n sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 1 exterior angles. So this condition only used when in the question they given a exterior angle value and here we have to find the n sides. Then we have to use the formula n is equal to 360 degree divided by n exterior angle. It's possible to figure out how many sides of a polygon has based on how many degrees are in its exterior angle. Okay, so for this second formula, here in the question they given n value. Okay, what we have to find here? To find exterior angles, here we have to find the exterior angle. One exterior angle we have to find. So in the third formula, they given each exterior angle we have to find the n sides. Here we have only 3 formulas using. Hello everyone. In this class, I am going to discuss the exercise 4.1. This is the first question. In that again, here we have a sub 2 questions. So let's see the 8th question here. Here we have to find the x in the following figure. Here they given a figure. Here we have to find the x value. Just observe this figure. Here they given a exterior angles. Here these 3 are the exterior angles. The one exterior angle is 125 degree. Another exterior angle is 125 degree. Here we have to find the another exterior angle x value. So here which formula we have to use here? The formula is sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Here the polygon is triangle. So the formula is give the name as a M N O. Here they given a formula that the sum of these 3 exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. The first exterior angle is what here? 125 degree. Just observe here, this first exterior angle is what here? 125 degree. So right here 125 degree plus the second exterior angle is what here again? 125 degree. Plus here the third exterior angle is what here? X. We have to find this condition only. The sum of the exterior angle of triangle is 360 degree. Here the sum of these three exterior angles is 360 degree. That is 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125 is how much here? 250 degree. Plus we have to find the x value, keep as it is, which is equal to 360 degree. Here 250 degree the constant, 360 degree constant number. So take this 250 to the right hand side. The plus 250 become a minus 250. So keep x as it is, which is equal to 360 degree. Minus plus sign become a minus sign. So take this to the right hand side to become a minus 250 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 250, which is a 110 degree. So the x value is 110 degree. Here the x value is 110 degree. Here we are using the formula, the first formula, sum of the exterior angle of triangle is 360 degree. Here the figure is triangle. The sum of these 3 exterior angles of these 3 triangle angle is 360 degree. This is the first solution of 8th question. So let's discuss the second question. Yeah. This is the question of first question. This is bth question. Just observe this figure. Here we have to find the x value. So this figure is the form of pentagon because it has a 5 sides. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 sides are there. Then this figure is said to be a pentagon. Here we have to use the formula. The sum of the exterior angle of pentagon is 360 degree. This is the polygon. Its sum of this exterior angle is always 360 degree. Here the one angle values they given a 60 degree. Another they are not given. Here this is the form of right angle. If it is a right angle means which is always be a 90 degree. Okay. So here one is 60 degree. Another angle is, this is a form of right angle. This means the right angle is exactly 90 degree. So this value is 90 degree. And here the one more angle they given a 70 degree. So here we have to find the x. Then here they given the interior angle. Just observe here, this is interior angle and this is an exterior angle. Here the interior angle is a form of right angle. This symbol is denoted as a right angle form. So the right angle is exactly 90 degree. The interior angle of this angle is 90 degree. So what about this angle here? So just observe here, this is a form of linear pair angle. Here give any name, variable name as a b. Okay, I am giving name as a b here. So we have to apply the linear pair angle. So 90 degree plus angle b is equal to 180 degree, because we are applying here linear pair of angle. So keep b as it is equal to 180 degree. So this plus 90, when it goes to the right hand side, it's become minus 90 degree. So angle b is equal to 90 degree. So this is also how much you get here, 90 degree. So here now we know the all exterior angle. One is a 60 degree, another is a 90 degree, another is a 70 degree. Here we have to find the x value, and this angle is a 90 degree. So the sum of these exterior angles is equal to how much? 360 degree. We are applying again here, we are applying a first formula, that is the sum of the all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So start from here. First angle is 60 degree, and next this is a 90 degree, plus this as a 70 degree, plus here it is a x, we have to find the x value, and this angle is a 90 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. So 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus 90 is equal to how much? So the sum of these three angles, which is equal to 310 degree, x keep as it is, which is equal to 360 degree. So here 310 degree is the constant number. So take this to the right hand side of, so x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. This is our solution. Here I am applying a formula, sum of the exterior angle is equal to the 360 degree. Here we have applying two steps, linear pair angle, and one more, sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. This completes the solution.